All right, let's talk about something that can either skyrocket your reviews or tank them completely without warning: the mattress. Not exciting, I know, but trust me, guests remember two things: the smell when they walk in and how well they slept. If you nail both, you're golden. Now, when I was setting up my first Airbnb, I overthought everything. I spent 2 hours comparing throw pillow colors and like 5 minutes on the mattress. Huge mistake. And you know what the first guest said? Loved the location, but the bed felt like sleeping on a trampoline made of bricks. And that one stung. So here is what I learned the hard way about choosing the best mattress for an Airbnb. First one is don't overspend, but don't cheap out. You're not buying a mattress for yourself. You're buying it for strangers who might weigh 120 pounds or 280. Some sleep on their backs, others curl up like cats, so you need a mattress that fits all body types, all positions, and still holds up over time. Personally, I found the sweet spot with hybrid mattresses, the kind that have coils and foam. They've got the support people need, and the plush top layer makes them feel like a luxury hotel bed. I'll drop a couple of the ones I have tested and loved in the description below. These are all under $500, and my guests always leave good comments about them. Second is medium firm is the way to go. Forget soft mattresses. They sound cozy, but they sag faster than old bananas, and back sleepers hate them. And super firm are even worse. Guests feel like they are sleeping on the floor. Medium firm is the Goldilocks zone, and most big box brands have it right in that range. I've used the Zinus green tea hybrid for my mid-tier units. Good support, decent durability, ships in a box, easy to unroll, plus it smells like nothing, which is a big deal. I will leave a link for that one too. It's been solid for me and it is usually on sale. Third is easy setup mattress. If you're managing the setup yourself or even hiring someone, you want a mattress that comes in a box. No need for truck delivery or old school bulky mattresses. I've had luck with Lucid, Zinus, and Nectar. They all ship fast, expand quick, and they don't take 48 hours to air out. But avoid no-name brands with weird names and zero reviews. They will smell like chemical soup and they will sink in 3 months. Next is mattress protectors are not optional. You can get the best mattress in the world, but if you don't cover it, one spill and it's trash. Get a waterproof, noiseless protector. Not the crunchy plastic ones from the 90s. You want soft, breathable, and quiet. I've had one that lasted 3 years through wine, mystery stains, and toddler accident. Still as good as new. Now, a bonus tip. Rotate every 2 to 3 months. I've got a reminder on my phone. Flip or rotate the mattress every few months, especially if it is high traffic unit. It helps avoid that body dent in the middle and makes it last longer. Right, so here is the deal. You don't need a $2,000 mattress to get a 5-star sleep reviews, but you need something reliable, medium firm, hybrid if possible, and protected like it's your firstborn. And if you've got a favorite mattress brand I didn't mention, or if you made a mattress mistake like I did, drop it in the comments. I love hearing the real stories, the messy stuff nobody tells you. All right, that's it for this one. Hope this saves you a few headaches and a few bad reviews. See you in the next one.